Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best water bottle for hamsters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Choco NOS No Drip Hamster Water Bottle. This bottle is the smaller cousin of the first on the list. It features the same patented no-drip design, diverse nozzle, and sturdy mounting system, but with a smaller size, suitable for petite pets. The reservoir is smaller, but can be replaced with a larger bottle if need be. The important part is the nozzle itself, which has been scaled down to a smaller size to make it easier for dainty pets to comfortably drink. The bottle is also quiet during use, and keeps your furry friends home dry, whilst keeping them well hydrated. Moving on at number 4, we have the BC Hamster Hideout Drinking Waterer. This handy bottle also doubles up as a comfy and private spot for your hamster to enjoy some downtime. Not only is this a great use of space, it also saves you the hassle of mounting the bottle to the side of your furry friend's home. This accessory won't tip over, thanks to its stable base which houses a cozy nook for your hamster to bunker down in. The bottle itself slides easily out of the base for convenient cleaning and refilling, whilst its nozzle protects against drips with a premium roll ball. Cleaning the bottle is easy, thanks to its anti-odor, anti-dust plastic, which is also non-toxic. The stand is versatile too. You can slide a larger or smaller bottle into the base, retaining the benefit of the sturdy stand and hiding place. At number 3, we have the Alfie water bottle with ceramic base. Like BC's hamster water bottle, this product features a cozy hut in its base, where your hamster can retire for a little peace and privacy. The base is made from sturdy ceramic, so is a little weightier, and perfect for pets prone to chewing their bottles or knocking over accessories. The bottle itself is constructed from durable plastic, and features a no-drip design which prevents precious water from leaking away, and making a mess in your hamster's home. It is also odor-resistant and easy to clean, as the bottle smoothly slides away from the base. This is a great space saver, allowing more room in your hamster's cage for them to explore and exercise. At number 2, we have the Living World Eco Plus water bottle. Hamsters love a dry, fun and fluffy bedding and would not play much if everywhere was soggy. Seeing as their bedding is made of soft fibrous materials, it would easily get wet and undesirable with time. The Living World Plus water bottle is a phenomenally designed bottle that provides water to your hamster without wetting the habitat. It is not only a reliable non-drip bottle but a pet-safe one too. Made with recyclable glass, the bottle is durable and quite safe since there is no fear of harmful substances or chemicals. Accompanied by a water level indicator, you can track exactly how much your furry friend is consuming per time. The glass design makes it a lot easier to clean out and refill for your pet's delight and pleasure. To mount the bottle on the cage, there is a sturdy spring attachment that enables convenient hanging at the side of the cage. Available in 3 different sizes, pet parents have the choice of picking out which bottle best suits their warm and cuddly friend's needs. And finally at number 1, we have the Little Giant Farm and Ag water bottle. Your little furry friend needs basic things to survive, one of them obviously being water. Since they don't live in their natural habitat, they depend on their pet parents for necessities they would independently source for on their own. A good water bottle provides your pet with water as naturally as possible so they understand how to suck from it. The Little Giant Farm and Ag 32 ounces water bottle does even more. With a stainless steel ballpoint tube and a small pet-themed design on the front, it's quite a fun and edgy bottle. The bottle itself is made from pet-safe clear plastic that allows you to see the water level. The plastic is a bit softer than normal and won't crack if any accidents happen, slipping out of your hands, etc. This bottle is also leak-free and won't leave the habitat wet when mounted upside down, which is usually the case with regular bottles. The cap is secure enough to keep all the contents in, just letting out water when your precious hamster is ready to suck on it.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon